Updating the BIOS on HP consumer desktops outside of Windows 11. Updating the BIOS is recommended as standard maintenance of the computer. If your computer cannot boot into Windows, you can use a second computer with Internet access to download the BIOS update. Caution: if BitLocker protection is enabled on your computer, the BitLocker recovery key is required to start your computer after the BIOS update. Windows might need to be reinstalled if you do not have the key or the key is not recognized after the update. Use a second computer with Internet access to create a BIOS recovery USB flash drive. Insert a blank USB flash drive into an available port on the second computer. Go to the HP support website and enter your computer's serial number, then click Submit. In the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 as your operating system, then select the version of your operating system. Click Submit. A list of software and drivers for your product displays. In the BIOS System Firmware section, download the BIOS updates using the download link. Browse to the folder or desktop where you save the downloaded BIOS update file, then double-click the file name to start creating a recovery USB flash drive. Caution: do not turn off or restart the computer until the update process completes. Click Next on the HP BIOS and System Firmware window. Note: windows that display during the update process might vary depending on your computer. Select I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next. If a location to save files screen displays, click Next. On the HP Firmware Update and Recovery window, select Create Recovery USB Flash Drive and click Next to prepare the update. Select your USB flash drive and click Next. Wait while the BIOS files copy to the USB flash drive. A message displays informing you that the recovery USB flash drive was created successfully. Click Finish. Remove the recovery USB flash drive from the computer. Use HP PC Hardware Diagnostics UEFI on the original computer to update the BIOS. Turn on the original computer and immediately press the Escape key repeatedly about once every second until the Startup menu opens. Press the F10 key to open the BIOS Setup menu. In the BIOS Setup menu, select Update System BIOS and then select Check HP.com for BIOS updates. On the Network BIOS Update screen, click Continue. Click the Rollback button to start running the BIOS update. Note: names of buttons that display during the update process might vary depending on the BIOS version being installed. Caution: do not shut down or restart the computer until the update process completes. When prompted, click Restart or wait for the computer to restart automatically. It might take a few minutes for the computer to restart. If the update fails, a failure screen displays with additional information. The system might run a BIOS recovery after restarting. Do not attempt to turn off the computer if this happens. If a 251 or CMOS checksum error displays after the update, go to HP and Compaq Desktop PCs, Error, CMOS checksum bad to resolve the issue. When the lock screen displays, sign into your computer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.